Let's talk about heroes. Not the ones from comic books or blockbuster movies, but the ones who quietly shape our lives every single day. These heroes don't wear capes, but they're right next to you. Your friend who organizes a fundraiser for a neighbor in need. Your daughter who stands up to a bully at school. Your partner who dedicates evenings to a nonprofit, making a real difference. Real heroes don't wait for permission or applause. They step forward, often when no one else will, guided by courage and compassion. They see a need and step up, driven by a sense of purpose and a desire to make things better, no matter how small the act. Every day they're writing their own story, chapter by chapter, building a legacy of kindness and action. So, what do you give someone with a heart that big? Someone who's always thinking of others before themselves. The best gift isn't just another gadget or something to collect dust. It's something that fuels their passion, helps them organize their dreams, and supports their journey. Imagine a gift that says, "I see you. I believe in your dream. I want to help you achieve it." It's a message that lasts far beyond the holidays. This isn't just a present for one day. It's an investment in a hero's journey, a tool they'll use to chase their goals all year long. It's a companion for a year of growth, challenges, and triumphs, helping them overcome obstacles and celebrate every win. Let's give a gift that matches the size of their heart, something as generous and inspiring as they are. Forget the usual stuff. Think bigger, think more meaningful, and choose something that truly matters. Give them something that helps them write their own story, not just watch someone else's, and encourages them to dream even bigger. The holidays are about celebrating the people who make a difference, the ones who bring light and hope into our lives. Let's honor the everyday heroes in our lives and remind them how much they mean to us. Let's help them keep changing the world, one small act at a time, and show them their efforts never go unnoticed. It's time to get them something truly heroic, because the hero in your living room deserves nothing less. So, what's the ultimate gift for an aspiring hero? The Hero's Journal. Not just any diary. This is a guided mission log, a planner for someone on a quest to do good. It's a sidekick, a personal trainer for their heroic spirit. Inside, prompts and challenges break down big dreams into actionable steps. It makes being a hero feel possible, not just a fantasy. Imagine your loved one opening this. It's not just a book, it's a promise. Every page is a reminder of their purpose and potential. This journal is a tool for documenting their journey, reflecting on progress, and celebrating wins. It's an invitation to adventure, self-discovery, and impact. Years from now, they'll look back and see how far they've come. The Hero's Journal is the first volume in the epic saga of their life. What makes the Hero's Journal special? It's the structure. Instead of blank pages, it guides users to identify their real-life superpowers, like listening, organizing, or speaking up. It helps them face obstacles, reframe setbacks, and strategize their next move. There are prompts for celebrating victories, no matter how small, and for practicing gratitude. The journal becomes a unique reflection of its owner, filled with their ideas, dreams, and growth. It's a safe space for vulnerability and planning. Giving a hero's journal is like handing someone the key to their most heroic self. It's not just a notebook, it's a transformative experience. Every page is a step toward unleashing their potential. Let's look at real-life heroes, like Malala Yousafzai, who started with a blog to advocate for girls' education. Her words sparked a global movement, showing how one voice can inspire millions. Malala's courage reminds us that even the youngest among us can stand up for what's right, and that change often begins with a single determined idea. Or José Andrés, who used his skills to feed people in crisis. He saw a need and took action, mobilizing teams to deliver meals where they were needed most. His story proves that expertise, when paired with compassion, can transform lives and bring hope to communities in their darkest hours. Their journeys began with small steps and a clear mission. Every great achievement starts with a moment of decision, a commitment to act, no matter how daunting the path ahead may seem. A hero's journal could help someone like Malala structure her thoughts, organize her goals, and reflect on her progress as she fights for change. Or help José Andrés plan his next move, brainstorm new ways to help, and keep track of the impact he's making. It's a place to plant ideas and watch them grow, nurturing dreams from their earliest stages until they blossom into real-world change. Heroism isn't about one grand gesture, it's about consistency, passion, and purpose. It's about showing up day after day and giving your best, even when no one is watching. The journal supports this with daily or weekly rituals that keep heroes connected to their mission, helping them stay focused and motivated through every challenge. It encourages users to see challenges as opportunities and to recognize their own power, celebrating every step forward, no matter how small. The stories of real heroes show us that anyone can make a difference, one thoughtful entry at a time. Every story matters, and every effort counts. The Hero's Journal helps build that narrative, capturing the journey and the growth along the way. It's a tool for turning inspiration into action, bridging the gap between dreams and reality. And it reminds us, every hero's journey starts with a single step, and every step forward is a victory worth celebrating. What makes a hero? Courage, resilience, empathy, and vision. The Hero's Journal helps build these qualities, one page at a time. Prompts encourage small acts of bravery and reflection after setbacks, turning failure into growth. It cultivates empathy by asking users to see the world through others' eyes and to practice kindness. Vision is sharpened with mind mapping, goal setting, and visualization exercises. The journal turns vague dreams into concrete plans. It's strength training for the soul. Every entry is a step toward becoming the hero they want to be. With each page, they build confidence and clarity. The Hero's Journal is their training ground for real-world impact. The journey starts within, but it doesn't stay there. The Hero's Journal helps your loved one grow in self-awareness, courage, and purpose. As they gain confidence, their passion becomes contagious. Their mission inspires others, turning personal growth into a movement. The journal helps them articulate their vision and break it into actionable steps. Maybe it starts with a community cleanup. Soon, neighbors join in, and the mission grows. The journal is the catalyst for organizing thoughts and rallying support. When you give a Hero's Journal, you empower a leader and spark a ripple effect. Their journey becomes a roadmap for others. One person with a clear purpose and a plan can change a community, and maybe the world. The Hero's Journal is where that change begins. The season of giving is here, and with it comes a chance to do something truly meaningful. You can give a gift that's forgotten in a week, or one that changes a life and leaves a lasting impact. The Hero's Journal is more than just a notebook. It's a declaration of belief in someone's power to make a difference, to shape their own story. Maybe the aspiring hero is you. Don't let your dreams stay on the back burner or gather dust in the corner of your mind. Every big change starts with a small idea. Take your dreams seriously and nurture them with intention. Give yourself permission to be the main character in your own story, to step forward and embrace your journey. There's a hero inside all of us. The part that chooses kindness, helps others, and believes in a better tomorrow, even when it's hard. Anyone can develop heroic qualities with intention, courage, and a plan. It's about showing up, again and again. This holiday, let's celebrate the heroes in our lives and in ourselves, and cherish the moments we create together. Give them the tools to succeed, support their mission, and join them if you can, because every hero needs a team. Believe in the hero within, and let that belief guide your actions every day. Now go out there, be kind, and don't be afraid to dance, because joy is heroic too. Even heroes need to dance. Happy holidays, and keep moving forward.